kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to give you a short demo of my new app, and that is the camera emoji app using Android Studio. Alright guys, so basically it is a sticker emoji app which I have built using Android Studio. So first of all I will give you the demo, and then I will also show you how I created this. I will give you a short demo, and then if I can also give you the source code, and also I can teach you. So for that I will show you my Fiverr link, and you can easily buy the source code if you want, or if you want me to teach you, so I will do that. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, I have created this project, and here I have some activities, and we have adapters interface. There is an interface, and then we have this utils class. And okay, so basically it is a very simple app. Here you can see I have put the stickers in here inside my assets folder. So let me first of all show you the demo. So yes, alright, so let me open it, and there you can see I have this app, and there are three buttons of camera, my creations, and select photo. So if I click on select photo, so I can select any of this image from there, and let's say I select this one, and there you can see it has displayed me, and there you can see we have the bottom nav bar, and from there you can see I can put these frames in my image. Then I have these stickers, then we have these faces stickers here, and here we have these stickers. So if I click on that, and there you can see I can use that sticker. And also I want to show you that this sticker will not go out of the boundary of the image. Okay, so it means that you will only be applying them on your image. So you can also remove that, and also there you can see there are a lot of smileys. So if I put this one, so as you can see I can also resize it, and yes, alright. And also let's have this icon here, and let me make it short, and then we have these icons. Okay, so instead of this I am also able to apply the frames here. So if I click on this, so you can see, let me remove the sticker, and there you can see I have put the frame in my picture. Then this is another frame, then this one, then this frame. Alright, so I can also teach you how you can also create such type of frame image app, that on every image you can upload the background. Alright, so if I want to save the image, so I will click here, and there you can see the image is saved. So if I want to go back and check the image, and there you will be able to see this image. Wait, let me show you. Here we have this frame inside this, and okay, so now if I go to my camera, and there you can see this image here, and also I can apply some other stickers to it. Let me resize the mustache here. This one, and then we have these glasses, and there you can see and then we have this hat, and then if I want to click on OK, so you can see the image is stored. And if I go back to my creation, so there you will see all the images that you have selected. So if I click on here, you can see this image. She is our Prime Minister Imran Khan, and then we have this frame here and as well as this image. Alright guys, so I hope that you like this app, and if you want, and there is also an option of camera, and yes, so we can take any image from the camera. And okay, so I think the connection is lost. So basically we have these 4 or 5 activities. So this one will be the main activity, and then we have the my creations activity. Okay guys, so before ending this video, if you want to buy the code, I will put my Fiverr link in the description, and also you can search me online at Haroon Studios. And you I will upload this link in my video description, so you can just go there and buy my gig if you want me to teach you, or if you want me to give you the source code. Alright, so this is my profile, and these are all the comments from my clients, you can see. And you can also this is, I have this gig. So here you can see these are the basic packages. I will teach you 3 topics of your choice. Then we have standard one, and then $20, and you can check all these things here. So if you want to get the source code, so you can just buy it for $10 or $15 if you want to have the whole source code, as well as if you want me to teach you. Okay guys, so I hope you like it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.